everyone I met told me Vietnam was going to change my life. Hanoi hit different though. Not bad different, just a lot. Like someone turned every dial up to 10 and forgot to turn any of them back down. What I didn't know yet though was that it wasn't the city that was going to make Vietnam finally make sense. It was a person. Welcome to the streets of Hanoi, Vietnam. This city is crazy for sure. The vibes are honestly indescribable at the moment. I got a recommendation for a banh mi place called Banh Mi 25. So we're gonna go check that out. These people said it was good. Holy shit, it's loud. And I have my first banh mi. I'm gonna give you a review. We'll go from there. First we have to cross the street without getting split. Maybe I'll just keep walking this way until I can get across. Look at this. I mean, it's craziness. Nuts. Literally just craziness. Oh, I can cross the street now. Let's go. This is insane. Been here for literally 15 minutes. Let's go see how this banh mi is. This might be an overpriced place. I don't know. They said 50 is like a good price. Got fruits. You got everything. Woo. Vietnam vibes are way different. Oh my gosh, look at these hats. Maybe we get ourselves a nice hat while we're here. Wow, okay. We're just cutting through. Okay, so we got clothes, we got a tailor. Wow. This is a vibe. This road is a little bit less hectic. Nope, just as hectic. It was just a stoplight. All right, anyway, I'll see you guys whenever we get to the banh mi place, I suppose. But, I mean, God. Welcome to Vietnam. What do you recommend?
I think it's number 3 and number 4 is it?
Okay, either's fine. You pick.
Take two?
You pick just one. Just one. First banh mi. So we're on the rooftop of my hostel here in Hanoi, Vietnam, or the hostel I'm staying at. Last night, my camera ran out of space and then it died after the banh mi. I ended up meeting these two German girls who were also eating banh mi. We ended up talking, they ended up kidnapping me, and we ended up shopping and doing a bunch of other stuff. But one of them said there was a food tour today, so I'm gonna go do the food tour. I signed up for it. First time I'm ever doing a food tour, anything like that. But I'm excited, I'm gonna take you all with me. We're gonna have a good time, we're gonna eat some good food. Hectic, like I said last night, is not even the right word for Hanoi. It is a different level here. But on the plus side, water is 38 cents a bottle, which is probably expensive at my hostel, but crazy. And on top of that, cigarettes are $1.30 for Marlboro Reds, which were the most expensive ones in Thailand. Hello. This place behind me is where we're starting from. Apparently we have a group of about 9 people, but we made it on time. We're in the right spot, and now it's time to go do some food. Hello.
Hi.
Vamos. Food tour has begun. I feel like I'm in second Germany right now. I'm surrounded by Germans everywhere I go. It doesn't matter. I have 2 Germans in front of me. I've had Germans before I enter that building. They're everywhere, man. Germans, what are you guys doing? How are you everywhere?
I'm finding some Americans.
No, please no. Please no. No Americans. I'm okay for now.
Okay, British.
British are okay. They get a bit rowdy.
A bit rowdy. Too much for a little Ohio neighbourhood boy. From the suburbs. He doesn't like rowdy.
She thinks she's so cool as a British person now.
I am.
You're lucky your friend is not here, or else it would get
Oh yeah,
interesting.
she's into the British. She'd be so into me. Personally, I'm a British man.
You're a British man.
I'm a British man. He's a colonized.
Yeah, she's actually a ladyboy. So that's how we met. She was a working woman. She tried to get money from me.
Yeah.
I said, no, I'm not into that, but it's okay.
Ancestor, when they die, we buy these stuff, like the house, the shoes, the everything like here, the horse for them to use in the afterlife. Yeah, we also burn a lot of money, Vietnamese and dollars. Especially dollars, because dollars are more valuable.
Also, later today, I have a very big surprise that you guys will get to see. It'll be very fun. Ooh.
I know the surprise.
She thinks she knows the surprise.
I don't know the surprise.
She doesn't know the surprise. We have to leave her in suspense.
Yes, I
And this is the name of the restaurant, Cha Ngon. How about the last word? Ngon. Ngon means delicious. Lekker. Yeah.
Yeah.
Boon. Instead of boon, you say boon. Yeah, boon. And cha, this question mark, go up and down.
Oh, wow. Wow. I did it. I feel accomplished. Okay, Boon Cha has been devoured. Anna, what is your rating?
am. I'd give it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
I think that's better. I didn't like the meat.
Wow. She's such a picky eater, guys. Yesterday, when she got her banh mi, she asked for everything off of it. It made no sense.
That's such a lie. That's such a lie. I asked for everything on it. I'm an omnivore.
Omnivore.
Chicken mushroom.
Food place number 2 complete. What would you rate that?
7 is actually a good number because I would say it was not like crazy spices, herbs, something I've never had before. It was more like okay,
Yeah.
but not bad, not bad.
I'd say I'd give the dry pho a 7.5 to a 7, and I'd give the spring roll like a 4 out of 10. I don't really like cold spring rolls. They're just not that good to me.
Okay.
I need my food to be like hot.
Okay, but that's not the fault of the spring roll.
No, I mean,
That's
yeah,
your
fine.
subjective like taste.
I'm not here to be objective. I'm here to be subjective. So
People want to know what I think.
yeah, this is specifically my opinion.
Okay, I get that.
So look,
That's okay.
if you like cold spring rolls, then you will like it. We are here in Hanoi, Vietnam at restaurant number 3. This is a banh mi restaurant. Super excited. Vibes have been good. It's a good group of people.
No, it's not sugar, but there's still sugar and it's a bit sweet. Okay. Yeah, you know what's yours? Here.
Oh my gosh,
It's tiny one.
it's baby spoon.
We have mango and the brown one is the dry coconut. Dry coconut, I'm sorry. So delicious. Yeah,
World
mango
famous
and-
Train Street. First reactions to Train Street.
We love it. It's overwhelming in the best way.
How would you rank your food tour overall?
I would rate it like an 8 out of 10, maybe a 7.5.
Let's do the food and the experience. What was the food?
The food was like an 8 or 9. The experience, definitely like a 10. Loved
Yeah.
it.
How much for the black one? Actually, I'll take that. How much is it? $2.50. Oh, man, too much. Yeah, there's a lot happening. Nice. And I believe that fully wraps up our food tour for the day and Train Street. We're here at the tattoo shop. We're gonna be getting 2 tattoos, and these will be my Vietnam tattoos. We'll be good. Yeah, honestly, this is a pretty decent spot. Getting a German tattoo.
Mausi?
Aussie, thanks to this person. And then we're gonna get 777. You can literally just so much easier.
No, I don't want to.
Wow.
Message for all die deutschen Viewer. Yes, we love it.
Tattoos are complete. What am I doing with my life? Sometimes I ask myself. But here we are. Got that thing. And then we got 777 right there. We added some color. We went with red. I'm happy with it. I really like the 777. Hanoi didn't click right away the way I thought it would, but it gave me good food, good people, and 2 new tattoos. Sometimes that's enough. Tomorrow, we hit the Ha Giang Loop.